Hello again. If you have a ZMT, ZD Racing, ZMT truck, I can remember all the names. This is the one that comes in the kit for about $98 on Banggood. A lot of people are blowing diffs. Two options you have. I just ran it now, first time, with a 3650, 60 amp, ESC, a 2S LiPo 5200, no problems. Alright, I have a little bit bigger pinion because the one they sent didn't have the pinion screw. But if you're having diff problems, before you assemble the diffs to the chassis, open up the diff case, check the mesh on between the diff and there's a small, the small little pinion that goes to the drive shaft. Check that mesh. If it's kind of clunky, that means you don't need the shim that they supplied. Some diffs have 2 shims, some diffs have 1 shim. I think my front had 2 shims and I only left it with 1 shim. Because what the shims are doing, they're pushing that whole diff against that pinion that goes to the drive shaft, and it's causing it to prematurely wear. So if you get rid of the shims, assemble the case, spin it by hand, you get smoothness but no clunkiness, then you're good. Same thing in the back. My back was really clunky. Took that shim out. Back diff is over here. It's really easy once you don't have this on, that you can do this. I mean, they run real smooth now. Let me get it up on a tire. Yeah, this is how smooth they run. This is all of them together. Nice. Let me get this down just so the tires spin. You don't hear any clunkiness. They're just spinning really nice and easy. I do the front. This is what you want. Now the front tires. See? Look at that. They'll just spin by themselves. That's how you want your diffs to run. Now if I take this, I'll put it like this. This is how you want it to run. Back, of course, is always going to be a little tougher because it has the gear right down in there. No, the back's going to be easy. The front's going to be tougher. But let me tell you, this truck, this is a speedster. Took it out there. I didn't put my GPS on it, but it was running fast. Got nice shocks, threaded. Also, what you're going to have to do, new to this YouTube stuff. Also, what you're gonna have to do, lower the front all the way, raise the back all the way, because this thing likes to ride like this. You want that back to squat down. I can see why they did this, so when you jump, you come down, you got a bit different geometry in the front. But all in all, with a 2S, very fast. I'll try a 3S soon. See how it runs. Thanks again. And if you ever remember, ZMT10, the kit. It's like $98 on Banggood. Comes in a brown box. Give you all the parts, put it together. Hope they give you a pinion lock screw, because I didn't get one. But, oh, the pinion's a 48 pitch. Remember that. Okay, guys, out.